Hello everyone, this is Sidman for President and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a comparison between two of my cameras, which is the GoPro Hero 4 and the GoPro Hero 8. By no means it's a logical and fair comparison, but I'm just doing it for fun. And if you're one of those who just started to get into the action camera, go for the Hero 4. You're not gonna regret it. Of course, there's a big price difference between the Hero 4 and the Hero 8, which is why you should watch this video and make a decision for yourself. So now just enjoy the video.